And a $2,000 Nikon camera has been returned to its owner by a homeless man 4 months after she lost it on the Redding River Trail. It's a story that might challenge your belief. Those stories and more tonight on KRCR News Channel 7. That's the $2,000 camera. There it is. Been missing for months. It's been returned to its owner by an unlikely hero who found it, took care of it, and waited to find the owner. This is KRCR News Channel 7 at 6:30. You think you've lost something really expensive or important, you know, your phone or your camera, and the panic sets in. If you find it, you think, that was a close one. But when it really is gone, you figure you'll never see it again. I am happy to say this story has a happy ending. A Redding woman with a passion for shooting pictures of our resident bald eagles had an unlikely reunion. And she got back something she thought she would never see again. KRCR News Channel 7 Stephanie Montano is here with this story. Stephanie.
Mike Renee Tolbert has been taking photographs of those eagles by Turtle Bay now for a couple of years. She says that a couple of months ago she accidentally left one of her expensive cameras on the Dana to Downtown Trail, and she thought she'd never see it again. Renee Tolbert talks about the day she lost her $2,000 Nikon camera. It was a gift from her husband, one she used to take pictures of her favorite subject, eagles. You may have seen them on her Facebook page dedicated to the Raptors. She took some photos and then did something she never does.
Never lay it down. It's just kind of my rule. Never lay my big camera down. But I didn't want to look like, oh, here's my camera in the picture of me with these ladies.
But on that day, she left it there. By the time she realized what she had done and went back to get it, it was gone. She says she filed a police report and even handed out these flyers in hope that someone would find it, but nothing. She gave up and bought a replacement camera. But this Saturday, while taking pictures in that very same spot, she got a surprise by a homeless man by the name of John.
He looked at my camera and he goes, "Did you lose a camera like that?"
Renee says she couldn't believe her ears.
My heart just like went, but I think I grabbed his arm. I said, yes.
Was it possible her camera and the pictures in it had been found?
I said, "Where did you find it?" And he goes, "It was right there by the wall." And I knew that instant that he had found it.
Renee says they met at 1 o'clock on Sunday at the Sundial Bridge. Sure enough, there was John with her camera returned in a bag, wrapped carefully and safely without a scratch. He had taken care of it as it was his own. She gave him the reward she had been offering for the camera, and her friends gave him gift cards and more money. She calls him kind, articulate, and intelligent, and says she is ever so thankful for him, and says she even learned a lesson from all of this.
Even more so made me realize how quick we judge.
Renee really wanted us to share this story with everyone, hoping it would restore faith in mankind and in our homeless communities. Stephanie Montano, KRCR News, Channel 7.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good stuff. Well, my son Jake...